Hi Virgo and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of December 2020 is going to be for you. Along with that, we are going to take a glance of how the energy of 2021 is going to be for you. To start with, it looks like this month of December is going to begin with some love messages. It is going to begin with some connection becoming closure and better for you. And as the month progresses, it feels like by the second half of the month, there might be some juggling with some such situations, and you might need to ask for help for certain situations. But if you ask for help, it is going to always be available. Second, you'll have to voice out. So whatever you think, whatever you feel, it is going to be very important to express that. Some things that you've done in your past, the results are going to come for you, and it is going to probably give you certain things which you've been wanting for a while now. So there is wish fulfillment that is there. There is independence card that is there. Along with that, there is the card of sun in the end. So it looks like there is a new beginning that is going to happen for you. The energies are going to be beautiful by the end of the month. Along with that, because I see a moon card on the no space, I would just suggest you to be very careful with your emotions this month. Be very careful about how you express yourself, how you voice out yourself, because somewhere expression or voice is going to be very, very important this month. However, as the month progresses and as the second half of the month progresses and you ask for support, you change your mindset, you change your thought process, you're going to see things working out for you. And by end of the month, there is Six of Cups and there is Sun card. So automatically things are going to become much better for you. We'll start with your health. From your health perspective, a few things that you need to take care of for this month. One, you need to take care of yourself from any COVID situation. So try to avoid the places which are very crowded. With moon card generally shows some kind of allergies or viruses, and it's at your no space. So this is one thing that you need to take care of. Second, with the changing weather, you need to take care of your health, especially with regards to weather changes. So ensure that you are taking care. You're wearing, if it's cold, you're wearing warm clothes. If it's otherwise, because there is a change in weather, you can get some problems that are only due to the change in the weather only. There's nothing else. Other than that, I would suggest that take care of your diet, take care of the food that you are eating, and avoid heavy foods this month. If you can, avoid non-veg this month. Other than that, take care of your heart health. So diet is something that is going to be important this month. Good food is going to be important this month. Healthy food is going to be important this month. And other than that, if there is any issue that you're facing or any issue that you've faced in your past and you feel kind of a trouble reoccurring or happening with that, ask for help, because looks like you'll get the help and support. And if you get the help and support, it will get addressed. So there is nothing that you should be too worried about. Second, for your mental or emotional health, because there is a moon card, it feels like you might just get into your fears. You might just feel emotional. You might just feel emotionally troubled with regards to relationships, or with regards to people in your life, or with regards to how you need help, or how certain people are not behaving in a particular way they should. But keep yourself balanced, because the cards are saying that help will always be available, and if you need, take the help of a counselor. So take the support of a counselor, get to a counselor. And otherwise, other than that, I don't see there is anything that is very, very troublesome on your cards. Rather, this is a month which is going to be overall good month for your health. Another thing that you have to avoid with your health is taking stress. So don't take stress this month. Avoid taking stress. Rather, if there is any situation that you think is stressful, ask for help, ask for support, delegate. When you do that, you will be able to manage stress pretty well this month. So that's with your health. Otherwise, then other than that, I don't see many problems with your health as such. Overall, it's a good month for your health, but just take care of stress, diet, and ask for help when you need help. With regards to your wealth, I see there is Nine of Pentacles on your cards. There is Knight of Pentacles on your cards, there is Five of Pentacles on your cards, and there is Two of Pentacles. So overall, the money will flow to you. There shouldn't be a problem with money, but two things that you need to take care of. One, don't put your money anywhere just like that, just without thinking. Analyze well if you have to put your money somewhere. Don't invest. And there could be, towards the second half of the month, there could be some juggling with the money, and you might just need some help, or somebody might need your help. So if you need help, ask for it. If somebody needs help, just figure out if the person is genuine, then help. Otherwise, other than that, I kind of see the money flow will be there, because there is Nine of Pentacles. There is a flow, there is a cycle that is happening there, and that is why there is a money pouch also, if you see. But this person is holding a monkey, and monkey mind is something that can create problem for you. And while I'm saying monkey mind, it means that you might be too worried about your money situation, you might be too much thinking about money, you might be too much thinking about how do I invest, where do I invest, will the investments be fruitful, will the investment not be fruitful, is money coming to me, is money not coming to me. So money can be something that is going to be very, very prominently on your mind towards, especially towards the second half of the month. And because there is Eight of Pentacles in the center card, the more you have patience, the better the situation will be. You are going to get results of the things that you've done in your past, but this is the time where you'll probably need some certain help. This is the time where you'll probably need some counseling, some support with regards to money matters. And if you need that, please ask for it. Don't worry about it. And like I said, towards the end of the month, there is Sun card, so everything will work out fine. Also, don't give money emotionally to somebody, like just getting under emotions, give money to somebody or take money from somebody. This is one thing that you need to avoid. If we talk about your love or relationships, this is the month where I would say the beginning of the month talks about relationship. It looks like some new love, new relationship is going to come into your life. You might propose somebody, somebody might propose to you, but there is a possibility where the things might not just happen as fast as you had imagined them to be. And there is also a possibility where there could be that there is a proposal and there is a juggling, then there is a wait then. But don't get disheartened with that wait, because ultimately there is Six of Cups and there is Sun. I kind of feel that the response will be positive, so you don't have to be very worried about that. Second, if you are into a relationship which is troublesome, which is where you're being beaten up, where it is molestation, any relationship that's not right, that's not good for you, that's not working out for you, where there is some kind of physical abuse involved, voice it out. If you voice it out this month, you will see the results. You'll get the help, you'll get the support, and you'll be able to come out of that relationship. So if there is any relationship which includes physical abuse, come out of that relationship this month. Second, if you're feeling that there are some troubles with your relationships, then ask for help, ask for support, see a marriage counselor, and you will see your relationships working out fine. There could also be a situation where with regards to property, there could be some dispute between your family members. But like I said, that if there are some people who are against you, there will be some people who will be with you. You just have to look at the people who are with you. If your relationship wise everything is going fine, there is no problem, then express yourself more. Maybe it is time where you actually express your love. There is Cupid, and he has a loudspeaker in place of actually having a bow and an arrow, and that is why it is important that you voice out, you say the things that you need to say, or and music is going to be something that is going to be very nice for you. So you kind of say the things, do the things that you need to do. And it is very important that if there is something that has happened in the past that was not so nurturing, not so great, you let that go in the past. You don't really keep juggling or keep thinking about that. For the baby, I would say end of the month is going to be good. So towards the beginning of the month or the second half of the month, there could be some juggling, but end of the month it's good for pregnancy. If we talk about your job or career, the support you're going to have. So if you don't have a job, if you don't have opportunity, somebody from your past, some person that you think very high of, some person that you think is your idol, you always looked upon to, that person can help you with finding a job. So connect with that person, connect with some of your seniors, and you will definitely get something with regards to job. You will definitely get something with regards to opportunities, though it might take like a week or two for that opportunity to actually settle down, and you might just need some further help and support with that, but you will get that help and support. You will be able to nail that opportunity, and by end of the month there is Sun card, so there is a beginning of a job. If you are already in a job, it is very important that you ask for support and help. If you're undergoing a pressure situation, if there is a situation where you're juggling with some work, you always have people around you who can help you, but it is very important to voice it out. It is very important to say it. If you're continuously only thinking about something and not expressing, nobody will help you. And second, delegation is very important. So if you're doing 10 things, if there are 10 things on your plate, you think you cannot do 10, you can only do 8. Ask for help. You will always have help. It's not that you will not have help. And if you have that tendency or that thinking that there are some people in the organization or who are working with you in your business or otherwise who are not doing things right for you or who are bad for you. There are people who are good for you as well. So this month, focus on good people and don't focus on negative energies. Don't focus on your fears. Don't focus on bad things. And the growth, that if you're wanting a growth, that will come to you. But like I said, there's Nine of Pentacles show slow but steady growth, and that will come to you. Maybe not this month, but by end of the month there could be something related to growth, or by next year, but definitely something will come to you. If we talk about your soul path, soul growth, this month it is very important that you write down how your life has been. Write down what are the experiences that you have had in your life. Write down how emotions have impacted you in your life, and find out a common emotion that you think is most heightened or most tested during all your life so far. That is your soul learning, that is your soul path, and that is what you need to learn, and that is what you need to heal this month especially. And there could be a tendency, or there could be an attraction that you might feel towards being a psychic, towards opening your third eye, maybe kind of working on your intuition, developing your intuition. So there might be something that you feel, or an attraction that you feel towards it, but I would suggest that this month don't go for that. Why? Because if you go for that, you will go through shortcuts. You will actually go through maybe opening up your third eye, or increasing your intuition through the videos that are on YouTube that kind of promise good results in just 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or whatever. Don't go for that, because you will not have your energy settled. You are not ready for it yet. Rather, right now is the time where you work on finding out that common emotion, work on finding out that emotion that you need to heal, that your soul lesson, that is your soul path. Once you start working on yourself is when you get to that zone where you actually develop your intuition. So that's going to come later, but first you have to start working on yourself, and that's what your soul path or soul growth this month is. If we talk about your chakra of the month, the chakra of the month for you is throat chakra. And like I said, this month, expression, saying the things, expressing yourself, asking for help, it is going to be very important. The more you voice out yourself, the better it is going to be for this month for you. And the more you keep things inside you, it is going to pull you or push you towards depression. And that is why this month throat chakra is going to be very important for you. The mantra of throat chakra is hum. Ensure that you chant this month. There are videos on YouTube otherwise also which you can take the help from and work on your throat chakra, but throat chakra is going to be very important for you. Mental exercise of the month, the card is stress. If you see, this person is juggling with so many things, and the monkey that it thinks it has complete control of is actually about to burst the balloon he's going to step upon. And if you see, there is a monkey here as well who's going to disturb this cycle. Now this monkey is nobody else, this is your own mind, and if you don't let your mind control you, you will be able to control it. But this month it is very important you don't let your mind control you, and you don't take everything on yourself. You don't take all the stress on yourself. This month, the less you think, the more you delegate, the more you ask for help, better it is going to be. And the affirmation of the month for you is going to be, I allow myself to ask for help. I know the whole universe is working out towards helping me. I have the help and support every time, every minute, every second I need it, and I just have to ask for it. I allow myself to ask for it. Please do that this month. It is going to be very important. Also, you can continue chantings if you want to, while you're not doing anything else, your mind is kind of thinking, you can get into chantings, but ensure that you're not taking stress this month. The surrender card of this month for you, the first card says surrender to the beauty of natural world. Take a relaxing break and spend time in nature. Replenish yourself by feeling the beauty and the ecstasy there. So it is very important that you take care of yourself and you connect with nature. And while this is important, this is also important. Why? Because once you sit quietly with your own self, you will be able to feel and figure out what is your learning, and for that it is very important to sit quietly with yourself. Second, the card is saying surrender your fear of intimacy. You are ready to let love in, compassionately identify and begin to release any patterns that stop you from opening your heart. And that is why the heart is something that is important this month. And like I said, this month you might just start getting into a relationship, or you might just think of a relationship or relationship with yourself, but then there will be a juggling with it. And the juggling is because you have some kind of fear of intimacy. Maybe that is the emotion you need to heal. Maybe that is the thing that you need to heal, and let it heal this month. What will happen when you do that? The first angel message for you is the Emperor card. It says stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. And that is how your life is going to be nurturing towards more ambitious plans, better situations. That is the Sun card. Second card is Three of Gabriel, Three of Wands. It says prosperity arises from wise planning. Take time to take a next step. Optimistic plan can turn out as expected. And all of these things will happen only when you stop juggling, when you ask for help, when you listen to your mind, when you delegate stuff. So if you do all of this, then you can go towards more success. The number of the month for you is going to be number 2. Color of the month, any shade of blue, black, gray, silver is going to be good for you. If we talk about how next, if you like the video, please share the video with everyone that you can. You can share the video on your social media so that it reaches multiple people and actually they can get help. And there are a lot of videos on positivity on my channel which can help a lot of people, and you can also watch them. If you find them useful, please send your feedback, share it with others on social media. So we talk about what is going to be the energy of 2021 for you. Now 2021 is going to start with this energy. There is a possibility where you start giving more attention to your dreams. Now when you start working on the emotion that you need to heal, and you start working on your soul growth, your dreams are going to be very important. So 2021, ensure that you pay close attention to your dreams. Second, you give yourself good rest and good sleep. Now with this stress that you are into in December, if you move with this stress towards 21, then it will be difficult to get more sleep, and you'll actually have to pull balance or push yourself for bringing in balance in your life. But if this month, if you work on your stress, if you start managing your stress, 21 is going to start with giving you better life. And this is going to be like, this was a bad dream which I came out of, and now everything is so beautiful. And that is how 21 should begin for you. So let go of your stress. That is very important. Second card is saying there is Temperance. It's a card of balance. It's a card of new beginning. It's a card of new sun rising. It's a card of moving forward step by step. And the cards are saying that 21, it is very important to move forward. It is very important for you, one, to prioritize. So if you have too many thoughts on your mind, if you're doing too many things, then it will be difficult for you to actually achieve them and actually fulfill your goals. And that is why prioritizing is going to be very important. So make it your 2021 goal or 2021 resolution that you will prioritize the things. You'll look at your dreams, you'll give them a timeline, and you'll start working towards them. And 2021 is going to help you move towards your goal and move very close to achieving it. So I'm not saying that 2021 you will achieve everything, but you will be very close to achieving it, provided you prioritize, provided you balance yourself, provided you go step by step, provided you don't overburden yourself. And that is why this month is going to play a very key role in helping you doing all of this. And then 2021 you can actually see a new sun rising, and this sun that is here, this sun can actually be rising in 2021 by giving you more growth, by giving you more balance, by giving you more light. So definitely try to let go of your stress, and that is going to be helpful for you. If you want to know more than this, you can connect with me through the Facebook link that is provided in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write you want your personalized tarot reading, and I will connect with you and give my number, and then we'll take it forward from there. Also, like I said, subscribe the channel, share the video, like the video if you like it, and let other people know about it. Let other people know about the videos on my channel otherwise. And wish you a very, very happy new year, a very happy 2021 to you. I wish that you are able to let go of all the stress from your life. You are able to voice out yourself. You are able to ask for help, and you get all the help and the support. And this year starts with the new sun rising for you and brings all the happiness to you. Very happy new year, and I will see you in the next year with the January predictions. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.